Hello everyone, my name is Kamalika Basu and today we are going through Yhangry website redesign that is done by me. Yhangry is a UK based website that lets you order chef, not order but book your chef in your home rather than going to a restaurant and like you order a menu in like Uber Eats or Swiggy or Zomato or something. You can it's like about ordering chef. So Yhangry is a kind of website that does that. The work that I did here is heuristic evolution and analysis or and the redesign, and also along the way let you know about the process. Before starting the heuristic analysis, I would start with saying that Why Hungry let users to do not only book local chefs that is from their local area, but also let users book professional chef from their websites, and also let the chef's menu also let users to book the chef's menu as well. So users are like usually the host of the parties or everything that are taking in their home, and it's very helpful website that would actually help the host to just concentrate on the connections rather than going through and making stuff. So yeah, that's what it is. So in the first heuristic analysis, I found out some of the stuff like the first time I opened the website homepage, it was very much distributed, and there was also no option of saving the flow that a user or the host goes through of adding the like local chef. What if they don't want to book at the spot but later on? So maybe that save button is not there. In the booking chef flow from the website, basically, there is one aesthetic problem that there is the none button in the dietary allergies are very much into like all the allergies. So I'm assuming majority of the people might be not going through the dietaries or allergy. So the none button over there can be more and more does like it can be more like popped up. And these are all of the other like analysis that I have did so far. Like I've detailed analysis, but the major one that I'm right now talking about. Also, in the chef's menu, there are like some stuff like there's already users already added the numbers of the guest in the sidebar. So omitting the option here will reduce the button tapping work, right? And also one error prevention that users can go to customize message without even selecting the menu dish. So the buttons can be deactivated when the menu is not selected. My process and then the process of redesigning Why Hungry. So the process was first and foremost I gone through the use case about who the users are, who the users gonna be, and assuming they are all ready to book a chef for tomorrow within the UK. And these are some of the assumptions that actually helped me to understand how for whom exactly I'm making the website and for what reasons. I first mapped out the current flow of the Why Hungry website. So my goal of this website design first and foremost was to understand was to let first flow is to let the user book a chef. So I found out there are three ways a user can book a chef. So that's what Why Hungry showed me. Then in the competitive analysis, I found out that a majority of the competitors are focusing on either chef's menu or either local chef, but none of them has been concentrating on the three aspect, that is like the chef's menu, local chef, and the chef, as much as Why Hungry. So I found out that in the bottom I have written like it's the homepage, local chef, and details, and then payment kind of user flow that I have mapped out. And I of course noted all the opportunities that competitors have and adding it onto the Why Hungry website. I did the brainstorm. I put myself in the user's shoes. I have asked myself users related question, and also I have made it considering heuristic analysis and competitive analysis data that I have found out so far. And then there is home screen design. In here, I have changed a lot. There is redesign of the home screen. As you can see, from the left is the current screen and the right is right now the screen. So I have added, first of all, nav bar has changed in the sense like events that were in the first, as you can see. It has changed to the main component, and then in the like nav component, and then I have made the three flow prominent, that is local chef, our chef, and chef's menu. Also I've added how it works from seeing like competitors use it everywhere, three of the competitors only. So I feel like we can add that option in the first and foremost. Later on I have also added like created a more visual stable hierarchy in the page and made the designs. Redesign for the local chef. I mapped out first what the existing local chef is like what the existing the flow is, and then I redesigned, like I've reduced the pages, added the back button, added the save button, and also let it user know in the end of submitting the button, rather than just jumping into the events, that when will their chef come, or who will, by what time will reach out to them for the chef's order or the code per se. That is it from the presentation. And I have also made like in detail like what I have did. So like as you can see from the work that I've did for this, like started with initial observation, noted it down what I liked, what I didn't like, and then gone through the heuristic evolution, and then gone through the ideas about what can be done and improved. And there is again the redesign phase, in which I actually gone through the map of current flow, then assumption use case, then the competitive analysis, brainstorming the sketches, and my redesign. So if you want to know more about this, or if you want to get in detail, because in the presentation I was not able to convey all of the changes that I've made, so you can simply go to the description box, and I've added the Figma link over there, and you can check that out. Thank you so much. A huge shout out to Sharon, who is a good, amazing UX designer, whose help, like I went through her IBM design challenge, and I followed her steps. She is my mentor. So it was so much fun. The task was so much fun to do. And yeah, if you have any feedback for the particular website that I have did, and if you've gone through every single of it, if you have some like feedback, then I would appreciate to have anything that you have to tell me. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.